Every day when I vlog, I'm constantly using one action camera. Case in point, the DJI Osmo Nano. Now, I have a habit of always placing this camera like the weirdest of places. It's either by the side of the car when I'm driving, or it's on top of the car, or it's right on top of my bonnet, or sometimes underneath the car. There are times I actually just drive over the car just because I want some fantastic shots. I have two screen guards, right? I have one on the docking station and I have one on the camera, but I don't have a cage. I mean, I have other action cameras and I have cages, but I don't have a cage for this one. It would be so devastating if this camera was to fall down and I get to lose it, which was why I was so glad when SmallRig sent me the action camera kit for the DJI Osmo Nano. I was so glad when they sent this to me for review. Now, if you guys have been on my channel long enough, you know that I always give an honest review. And when SmallRig sent this to me, they expected me to give my honest opinion. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. And you guys know me, my job is to use it, review it, so you guys can decide whether you want to buy it or not. All right. So with that being said, let's unbox and let's see what we have in the box. All right. Alrighty, let's unbox. Comes in this very nice package. So we have this and we have some paper right here. All right, let's open this up. Wow, look at that. It actually feels premium. So it has this sort of like latch here. When you push this, hold on a minute. Ah, there you go. I was actually thinking it was going to open from underneath, so it opens from the side. Wow, it's actually very sturdy. Let me put it next to the Osmo Nano. It actually feels, it looks very sturdy. Okay, so let's try inserting the Nano into the action camera kit cage, right? Okay, so first thing I have to do is remove the action cam from the docking station. Good, so now we have the raw camera itself. Now let's open up the cage, right? Okay, now I must tell you that this thing is a bit tough. It has this red lever here. So you have to push that lever in the direction of the arrow before the cage opens. So the cage opens in this direction. All right, so let's push this up. Okay, good. So it comes out easily. So first thing we have to do is merge the action cam back together with the docking station. There you go. Now, one of the reasons why I removed this from the action cam is because both of them cannot go into the cage, right? This cage was built specifically for the docking station and the camera, right? So we close. There we have it. Look at that. I mean, it's just a perfect fit. There is no lag anywhere whatsoever at all. Perfect fit. I mean, it feels almost as though when DJI was making this, they sent, you know, the camera to SmallRig and said, you know, we would need you guys to, you know, make a cage perfectly for this. It fits perfectly well. And one of the reasons I love this cage is it serves about like 4 to 5 purposes. Firstly, it serves as full protection. You know, you have a comprehensive cage here. 2, I love the fact that it has this instant orientation switching. You can effortlessly just switch between portrait and landscape mode in a matter of seconds. I mean, this is great for social media, right? You know, it has this Aka Swiss mount and a cold shoe for seamless expansion with your, you know, your gear, your current gear which you're using. Overall, I think that the SmallRig Action Camera Kit for the Nano works perfectly well. There are a few things I love about it. First and foremost, it has a premium build. It does not feel cheap. You know, when you're holding on to this thing, it almost feels as though DJI should have, you know, created this rig. Like this rig should have come with the Nano. It fits perfectly well. There are no lags anywhere. Another thing I like about it is the, you know, the lock latch. I'm not kidding when I tell you that this thing is ridiculously tight. I almost have to break my fingernail, you know, to open it up. You really have to hold it down and turn. See what I'm talking about? Let's try this again. Hold on a second. Okay, let's try this again. See? I mean, look at how, ouch, that hurts. Look at how long it actually takes to get it to open. So that's very assuring, knowing fully well that if it falls down, it's not just going to open up, and, shatter into some pieces or thereabout. Another thing I love about it is you have access to practically all your buttons. You have access to the one on the camera, to the one on the docking station. You can easily open up and take out your memory card and charge easily. So, I mean, everything about it fits perfectly well, except for one thing. And that's the fact that when you try to place it somewhere on a metallic surface, it doesn't really stick. Now, you need to understand that the DJI Osmo Nano sticks, but what sticks is not the docking station, it's the camera itself. So with the camera itself, it sticks easily, right? Now, with two of them combined without the cage, it will sit on a metallic surface easily. But I realized that with the cage, it loses like half of that power. So what would have been nice was if, SmallRig actually made the back here magnetic. That way, it sticks easily to any metallic surface. I mean, if I place it on my my microphone tripod here, it seems to work. Why? Because it's sort of like sitting on it. But if it was supposed to stand on its own, it really wouldn't stay. I mean, I tried it on my car and it just kept slipping down. So meaning that if I want to shoot with the cam alone, I'd have to get it out of the cage and use the cam. But what's the job of this cage, right? Is for you to have multiple ways of shooting, but above all to protect your action cam. And that I would say this does perfectly well. Now, in terms of pricing, it comes to about $33. So for me, I find that pretty affordable, right? That I have this amount of protection. Imagine my action cam falling off. I would have to get myself another camera. But with $33, I saved myself the stress of having to buy myself this camera all over again. SmallRig, thank you once again for sending this for me to review. So if you guys love the cage, let me know. If you have one, you've used it, do let me know. If you're hoping to get this, do let me know. If you have any questions about this cage, do let me know. I'm going to be using this cage like crazy. I don't think my action cam is going to come out of this cage ever. Again, the other action cams I have all have cages except my Nano. Now my Nano can rest in the cage. It can rest in peace in the cage. All right, guys, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. And I'm going to see you guys on the next one, right? Ciao.